Production scheduling. Commonly, when I walk into a manufacturer, they may be a big company, a couple $100 million a year, and somehow they're scheduling, it's Excel or it's a whiteboard. And this is happening all over the place. Getting real time data into the system and using that information to make data driven decisions on scheduling and planning and inventory acquisition is what an ERP system is all about. That's what technology is all about. So multiple facets that go into production scheduling. What is my capacity on the shop floor, and which machines are going to be taken down for maintenance, and what is my customer demand, and what have I promised? What's my labor allocation like? Do I have the proper technicians to get this stuff out the door? So scheduling has many facets to it. Quality control can be enhanced by technology in a number of ways. So having an automation in terms of inspecting goods on the way in the door, or inspecting goods as they come off the production line, and then gathering real-time data, right? Actual data, leveraging that data to analyze trends in quality. Why am I seeing defects, and what is the trend there? You need data to back that up. You need artificial intelligence can be a massive help there. Business intelligence, leveraging what's happened in reality to predict and to act on quality issues that need to be remediated.